Hey guys, it's Rocket Keeper here. Today we are going to see some new cubes. Let's get into the video, guys. Hey guys, the first cube is Shengshou Zettaminx. Yeah guys, it's a big monster with a beautiful color schemes. Yeah guys, it weighs 1722 grams with 2500 plus pieces. It's available with a briefcase, especially for business trips. Yeah guys, you can't able to hold this in your hands. To solve this, you should need a table. Yeah guys, it weighs 1722 grams. Okay guys, there are 2589 pieces. Shengshou had made a big legend, guys. Let's see the next cube, guys. I am very excited for the next cube. Yes guys, the next cube is Ms3-L from MS Cube. Yeah guys, this is the enhanced version. Yeah, it has some spider web design and with cool cube bag stand and extra stuffs. Okay, it has a adjustment system. Yeah guys, tensioning adjustment system with some variants like a primary plastic variation, sticker variation. Yeah guys, the spider's web design, it looks awesome, and some new designs, and the edge pieces and corner piece has blue design. Okay guys, it's a magnetic core design, looks pretty sick guys, with new adjustment system, elasticity adjustments guys, with packing, with a cool packing and tutorial instruction etc guys. Guys, it has 96 magnets, which is pretty sick guys. The color scheme looks very good guys. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like the video and stay tuned for more updates.